Dude, that thing sounds sick.
All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the white E90 that is big turboed. We're gonna take it out, get another log, get you guys some outside driving clips of this thing since it's been doing that. That's why we need to get a log. So yeah, we noticed we haven't got any outside driving clips, so we're gonna try and do that today even though it's freezing. All right, I don't know if we've mentioned it before, I can't remember, but this car also has F30 seats now. That's sick. Does that mean we could put G80 seats in it too?
Oh, I don't know about all that jazz.
So the current problem with the white car is James took it to Motors in the Alley over the weekend and it was throwing some random codes, some exhaust damaging codes.
Yeah, an exhaust damaging and injector cutoff, which normally is an injector issue. James currently thinks he got some water in the tank. Either maybe some water last time he filled up, the car doesn't get drove much, or maybe some water you know, absorbed in the ethanol. That's a big problem with the E85 is the absorbed water. But he got it down to about a quarter tank and it started missing hard. So I've had it happen before with the E85 with getting water in the gas tank. So it's running right now.
We're assuming that's what it is. He had it towed back to the shop and we're gonna try and throw some fresh gas in it.
Where's our on cue, buddy? Okay, we have gas, fresh gas.
You know what we gotta do next? We gotta test out the MHD.
Oh yeah, we do.
Yeah.
All the new MHD updates, man, that'll be the next video on this car. Definitely. I bet it's on here.
Really? Can we just flash it?
We'd have to reflash it.
That'd be fun. That'd be cool. He really needs an update though.
Yeah, so when the update file gets here, we'll reflash the car. You know, it has no left shift, but that's if you have a manual. This
so what do we get?
I don't know what we get. I think we get
anti-lag.
Anti-lag, map switching. I think that's it for us, probably. Maybe launch control, I don't know. Something.
Like we'll ever launch it.
Yeah, we just need it to run right.
This car just sounds so cool.
Oh, it sounds amazing. I mean, I don't think there's another car we have at the shop that you can get in and it make all of the cool noises.
Yeah.
Like, this makes all of them.
All right, we got some food. Now time to do some sound clips. That is so sketchy in the rain.
Yeah, so sketchy. Not a lot of room around here. So violent.
That sounds wild. Dude, that thing sounds sick. Do a launch! Can you imagine?
Okay.
Alright, go for it. I don't know, I feel like he babied that a little bit. What do you think? Well, that was random. Traction control was off, so I don't know what that was about. If you were just scared? Did you lift?
No, it just like...
It just bogged down?
It just bogged down.
Huh.
Like traction control caught it.
I thought it was off.
It is. It was all the way off. So I don't really know why. You know?
Yeah.
A little strange. But
I don't know what just happened.
It kicked in that hard.
That was brutal. That was crazy.
It went from all to nothing. There was no like gradually bringing the boost in. It just went from like 2 to 20. It's so loud in here. It's a violent car.
Yeah.
First gear is not really usable at all. But oh, that's the new thing. We can manually put it in second now, and it'll stay in second.
Really?
With the new MHD update. That felt good.
Yeah, that felt real good.
All right, time to put it up.
Yeah, that's it. Golly. She got sideways.
That was wild.
Yeah. You feel it kick out?
Oh yeah. Being all-wheel drive, it just kind of like goes like this.
And after our 15-mile road trip back from Mexico, back at the shop.
Yep.